So hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Fun Harshil, and today I am going to tell you how to make a presentation in Canva. So I got lots of messages on my on the Canva video, also in YouTube channel. I got a comment how to make a presentation, and in my website also I got a message. So today I thought of making a video on this. And so guys, now let's get started. What you have to do is open your web browser and here search for Canva. And here I am already signed in over here. I am going to click on presentation over here like this, and it has been opened. Now I'm going to select. Now these are all the presentation templates. Now I will click on apply all 23 pages. So now see, as you can see, all the 23 pages. Now I can edit this. Test video, and all this is fine. I will change one more thing. I can do like this. And now if I click on present, I can click on present. And here, everyone, like I can present it for myself, and if I want to share the link, I will click on this. It's copied to my clipboard. I will open a new tab and here paste the link and see, here's the presentation. Now if I click, I have forgot to tell you a way. If I click on full screen, then there are lots of things down below. Like if I click on D, see, now here's the timer of 1 minute. Here are the bubbles, confection. These are all the basically magic shortcuts. Now if I click on download, I will be able to download this. Download. I've cancelled the download, and here you can open all the video which you have made. And so guys, for now, thanks for watching.